You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all n terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10n from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by -6. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is n equals -1.